From my point of view, you have learned a lot from nature, its organization, ecosystems, etc. When you know things, you start loving them. You have also discovered about natural resources of your area. Don't you like nature a bit more now? I feel really sad when I watch all this news about pollution, CO2, waste, island of plastic in the ocean. Don't you feel sad? Have you ever thought about what you can do? Do you take care of the environment? Do you say to others that they have to take care of the environment? I will always have a motto. I will leave a better planet to the future generations. During the mission, I want you to create a poster to promote good practice with the environment, especially about the 3 R's: recycle, reuse, and reduce. This poster will be around your school to promote eco habits. Do your best. Good luck!